Demolition Derby program. Should we get the party started here tonight or what? All right, coming into the competition area, if you will, these are the cars for qualifying event number 1. These are pre-run 4-cylinder cars that have either competed earlier this week in Demolition Derby or Figure 8 events. First car in is Mike Lightsoul with the number 8. He is out of Spring Glen. And no, he's not the only one. We got a few in this bunch. We actually have an excellent turnout of competitors here this evening. Qualifying heat number 1, let's bring them in. Qualifying heat number 1, fire them up. Let's bring them in, please. All right, here come the next batch of cars making their way in. There is the number 6, that's Zach Siders from Halifax. Car number 27, that is Cole Miller from Tower City. Then we have the 4X, or the 9X, I'm sorry. That's Damian Shoup from Tower City. We have the 34 behind him, 34X is Zach Uhab from Higgins. Car number 64, that is Brody Stoneroad from Halifax. Sounds like Brody brought the fan club tonight.
The dumb you had on top of the car.
And we have car number 63, Nick Steely from Higgins. The number 4, that is Aiden Peck from Pillow. The number 2 is Brian Lesher from Herndon. We have the number 60, that is Kevin Nicewinder from Elizabethville. We have the number 10, that is Josh Hine from Marysburg. The 7 is Riley Shaver from Dalmatia. And we have the number 14, that is Wayne Shadle from Herndon. The triple nickel, that is Derek Sharkway from Pittman. And the final car rolling in is car number 59. That is Tommy Enders from Halifax. So we're looking for the 66 of Devin Bisking. Last call, car number 66. If we don't have them, we'll go with what we have here, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go down to the last 2 vehicles moving and making contact. So drivers, make sure your helmets and seatbelts are tight and secure. Watch the hits in the driver's door. Avoid them at all costs. If you have trouble, raise your hand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is customary that we do a 10-to-1 countdown with all of you to the word go, and then we turn them all loose. So we're going to do it all together. This will be the first time. I really, really want to be able to hear you over the car. So let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,